Have you ever felt overwhelmed when trying to create a diagram? Whether it's a flow chart for a project, a mind map for brainstorming, or a Gantt chart for planning, the process can be time-consuming and frustrating. Traditional diagramming tools often require hours of manual work, and let's be honest, most of us don't have the time or patience for that. What if there was a way to simplify this process? What if you could create professional-looking diagrams in just a few clicks without needing to be a design expert? That's where Wondershare EdrawMax comes in. But before we dive into the solution, let's talk about the common problems people face when creating diagrams. Time-consuming processes. Manually creating diagrams can take hours, especially when you're dealing with complex structures. Lack of inspiration, staring at a blank page, unsure of where to start or how to structure your ideas. Limited tools. Many tools lack advanced features, making it hard to create visually appealing and professional diagrams. Difficulty in collaboration. Sharing and editing diagrams across teams can be a hassle, especially when working remotely. These challenges can slow down productivity and make diagramming a chore rather than a creative process. But what if there was a tool that could solve all these problems? Introducing Wondershare EdrawMax, the best AI-powered diagramming software. Whether you're a project manager, a creative professional, or a knowledge worker, EdrawMax is designed to make your life easier. Let me show you how it works. EdrawMax offers advanced AI features, including over 10 one-click diagramming capabilities, as well as AI analysis and AI drawing. With 30,000 plus community templates for reference and Inspiraton, provides features for enhanced presentations, including flow animations and slideshow mode. Offers more professional drawing tools such as adding connection points, pen tools, Boolean operations, creating smart shapes, and personal templates. Open any browser and search Wondershare EdrawMax. Click on the first link. Now download the software. Once you have downloaded the software and installed, the interface provides tons of features to choose from. You can create different charts. It offers a lot of templates to choose from. Wondershare EdrawMax AI is the game-changer feature because you can create flowcharts, mind maps, timeline, table, and many more using EdrawMax AI, and also customize it according to your needs. The process is simple. Type your prompt in the text box and let Wondershare EdrawMax do its job. For the first diagram, I am creating a flowchart of ATM withdrawal. It created a flowchart within seconds. You can add flow animation to your chart. There are different options like speed adjustment, style, color, and many more. Customize it to your needs and style. You can also change text size and a lot of other styles as well. You can also change the design of the flowchart. You can change the color of the flowchart. And yes, you can also change the background color of your liking. Now let's explore another great feature of Wondershare EdrawMax, the table feature. For the demo purpose, I will use the example. But you can create a custom table of your choice. It has created a table according to the prompt I had typed. Now let's customize it. Let's increase the size of the font and make the text bold. You can add extra column if needed or an extra row for the custom input data in the table. You can change the fill, change the table style to make it look great. And the best part is to analyze the table using AI, like data comparison, anomaly identification, summary, trends prediction, and more. You can get insight from the data without manually extracting insights. It is a very useful feature to get instant information about the table data. Now let's explore the mind map feature of Wondershare EdrawMax. Enter your prompt in the text box and press enter. Wondershare EdrawMax will take few seconds to create the stunning mind map for you. Now you can insert a new topic if you want, or add a subtopic. You can also add new relation to the mind map, add symbols, shapes. To enhance the look and feel of the mind map, You can click on the Beautify button and change the style, layout, connector style, and you can change the overall color theme of the mind map to your choice and taste. Mind map offers many other features like expanding the mind map, polishing the text, smart summary, and many more. You can use these features to enhance your productivity and boost efficiency. In conclusion, Wondershare EdrawMax is a powerful tool that uses advanced AI to create stunning charts, flowcharts, mind maps, presentation, and many more. It is a more efficient tool as compared to the traditional tools available in the market. I recommend that you should try this amazing tool in your workflow. Lastly, share and like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future updates on new AI tools.